Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove email address from the Snapchat. So steps are very simple. Please watch this video carefully and you can simply remove email address from Snapchat. So go to your Snapchat account. Once you open your Snapchat account, simply go to the profile on the top right or top left corner. You simply tap on the profile, and once you go to your profile, uh, then you can see on the top right corner you can see a setting icon. Tap on that. Once you go to settings, you can see a email section. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, simply type the email that you want to put. So simply I'm going to tap my email. So I'm going to tap my email, and once you tap the email you want to change, so tap on save. And once you do that, it's done. So steps are very simple. I hope this video is useful to you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up. And if you have issue regarding this video, please comments below so that we can solve in the next video. Thank you so much.